Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Me YouTube channel. So before I start, I would like to request everyone to please like, share, subscribe. So let's begin. So in our today's lecture, our question is we have to compute the factorial of a number. So let me first explain you what is factorial of a number. So factorial of a number simply means if we are given a number like 3 here, we have mentioned some examples. For example, if we are given a number 3, then its factorial will be computed as 3 into 2 into 1, that is equal to 6. Similarly, if we are given a number 4, then its factorial will be computed as 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is equal to 24. So how it will work, how we will implement this, let's see. So but it's very basic or simple to implement. So let me first explain you. So what is the basic requirement? First we require a number. So let's accept a number from the user. Okay, now we have to make. So here the logic will be we will be using recursion. So recursion will be taught in the later stage of this course, but by using recursion it is easier to implement this code. So let me first create a function, then I will explain you. So I will create a function int fact. Int is the return type, that is the integer. Fact is the name of the function, that is fact is the, I have declared a name. Now I will pass a parameter int n, that is a number which I have accepted from the user. Now I will write the base case. If n equal to 0, then return 1. I will explain you this everything. Let me first complete this code. N into n minus 1. Okay, now as the return type is integer, so I will write cout fact of n. Okay, okay, so let me first clear it and let me see if it's working fine or not. We know that the factorial of a number I have mentioned 3 is 6. Yes, it's giving us the right output. Similarly, the factorial of 4 is 12. Oh, sorry, here I have to write fact of n minus 1. Sorry, let's rerun this code. So 4, yeah, now it's giving us the right output. Even if we write 3, yes, it's 6. So let me explain you how the code is working. So firstly we have taken the simply the input from the user, that is int and cnn. Now next let me explain you the this, that is the function of the factorial. So this is the base case, that is n equal to 0. I will explain you later. So first we will see the else condition. Else condition simply means, suppose user has given us the number 4 and as 4. So the number 4 will be passed in this function fact of 4, and the control will be given to this, control will come to over to this function, that is fact of 4. So as the 4 is not equal to 0, equal to 0, so the control will go over the else condition, and it will be like 4 into fact of 4 minus 1, that is 3. So this is the, this part is the recursive part. Okay, so I will explain you later in the recursion how it's. Let me first explain you. Now fact of 3 is again a function, this function. So we have to compute the fact of 3 before, because if we don't compute the fact of 3 we will not get the output. So fact of 3 will be equal to, that is 3 into n into fact of n minus 1, that is fact of 2. Similarly, I have to compute fact of 2. Similarly, 2 into fact of 1. And similarly, I have to compute fact of 1, that is equal to 1 into fact of 0. So this is the condition which I have defined in the base condition, as base condition. So fact of 0 is when n equal to 0, this is n, that is 0. When n equal to 0, we have to return 1. So it will return 1. So it will give 1 into 1, that is equal to 1. And this one will be passed to this fact of 2. So fact of 1, that is 2 into 1, that is equal to 2. Now this 2 will be passed as fact of 2 to this fact of 3. So this is 3 into 2, that is equal to 6. Okay, now this 6 will be passed to this fact of as fact of 3, that is 4 into 6, this is equal to 24. So this is how we are getting our output. Okay,